Hello everyone, my name is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present All Aboard. The song is Do the BUSTA Bus, Part 2. The artist is Busta Rhymes, and the choreography is All Snap and John Woodhouse. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction for this dance, I'll post it at the end of this video. Also, I will be doing a modification. I'll be doing a full turn and also just walking back, just to give you a modification for those who don't want to spin around and make a full turn. And here we go.
One more clap. Do the Busta Bus, please. One time, shake it out. 2 times, smooth it out. 3 times, get crazy with it. 4 times, let me see you do it. 1 time, shake it out. 2 times, smooth it out. 3 times, get crazy with it. 4 times, let me see you do it. Let's go, let's go.
That's what it's supposed to be. I'm here forever. You're stuck with me. Never worry as long as it's up to me. Pure heat, baby, is a must for me. Glass is banging in your truck for me. What you other dudes really suck to me. Put your champagne glass in your cup for me. You got to bang quick, you better jump for me.
You better know what it is that you can get it how you live. You suckers already know exactly
And there you go, all aboard. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.